What's up, everybody up on Telescope Peak? Check out the hike.
No trail again. I told Daddy I was never hiking.
Daddy!
Woo! Here we go. Oh, you know what? I forgot to set my watch. Oh no, I didn't. I started it. Okay, we're doing a little hike. We're gonna go just out from our cabin, as you can see in the background. We're gonna go up to a little top of the mountain we call Telescope. We snowmobile a lot up to this point, but I've never hiked it from this side. So the way we're hiking is what we call the back door, because it's our shortcut to out back where we snowmobile. So we're gonna hike what we normally snowmobile, see how long it is, see how it does. Get up top to Telescope, because it's got one heck of a view. Check our elevation, all that good stuff. Maybe fly the drone. Get a little exercise for today. All the mule ears are all dry out here. That's what all these plants are. So, whew, just started, I'm breathing heavy. We haven't been hiking a whole lot this year. A lot like last year, we were doing it every week. But we're starting at around 8,200 feet. So the air's a little thinner, a little harder to hike. Come on, Corb. There's Cam up there. Yeah, here we are. Not quite there yet. We're getting there. All right, this is what we call the back door. We come up through there, cruise up right through this ravine, right up through there. That's our back door entry into our back country. Kind of sitting here looking at this juniper tree. Ground probably got soft and just kind of fell over a little bit. Okay, we're on the final stretch. Just about up. You see the top. We're an hour into it. I said it was going to take an hour, so I'm pretty close. So far, 650 foot elevation gain. On the last final stretch, last climb. That's called Windy Ridge down below there. We're actually we're back there on that rock, because that's where we can snowmobile to it. So we're normally back up on there. We're gonna go sit right out here on the point. Woo! We made it up on Telescope. Hour and 10 minutes. Check out this view. 800 foot elevation gain. 1.3 miles. And it's always stuff like this that really pisses me off. Cameron, grab that can. Come a little bit farther. Right there. It's like, come on, haul it out. Really, people? All right, let's throw that in the pack. Throw it mine. Cameron up there.
Daddy!
He got up there and can't get down.
Yeah, I made it, and I got back down easily.
Brother got up there, no problem, and got down.
I'm gonna do it again.
Your brother got down this and you can't?
That's it. So, we go to here. Come to the bed. Hold on, Mateo. I don't trust you. Hold on. Don't that hold. What is that? Daddy, hold that. Wait, you're not helping it. You're getting up too.
All right, well, your brother's clearly got my climbing ability in him. And you got mommy's scaredy cat ability.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right foot. Where do I put my right foot?
Right? Where this foot is. That foot was there. This foot's gonna go over here.
I can do that.
Push back off. Get off.
Daddy,
Stop.
I can't reach that forever. Daddy, that foot.
It's actually not really funny because
Get off
how
the
I
rock.
react.
Come on. You're coming down.
Daddy's gonna get you, baby. He's got you. Just like,
Off of the
just
rock.
launch yourself. Daddy will catch you.
You can't do anything with your wiener on the rock. Watch him. Perfect. No, that's what I kept telling you to go over to your left.
Good job, Corb. Woo! High five. Oh, high five.
Edie. Mom, I'm the small one, and I did it, and he's the big one, and he Tara did it.
You could put a foot right here. You could put your left foot right here. You need it to turn. There you go. There you go. Good job. Get your ass off. Over there. This one's gonna come down right there.
Yeah.
And the next one's gonna come down there.
Right here.
No, you got to cross over your leg. You need to keep like that. Okay, just like that.
Can I go up again?
Hey, high five. High five. Finally.
Just made it back to the cabin. Total was 3 miles. We were gone for 3 hours. We sat up there for like an hour or so. It's pretty much about an hour up and an hour back. And 877 calories, so a good little hike. 900-foot elevation gain total. As always, make sure you hit like, leave us a comment, and make sure you subscribe. See ya!